Bali, home to the world's most expensive coffee, an island with more than 10,000 temples and home to jet black beaches. This is Bali Uncovered. This week we visit the province of Ubud. The area lies inland. We visit the temples, waterfalls, rice fields and explore the town. But first we have to get there.
So here we are along the seafront at Sanur, and it's another beautiful day. I have to say the sun is so hot here.
So strong.
It's incredible. It gives you a suntan through your t-shirt. You don't even have to take it off and you can get yourself a suntan. It's fantastic, isn't it?
Yeah, it was 36 degrees Celsius in the shade yesterday.
Yeah.
It's really, really hot.
Beautiful beach. Absolutely stunning.
So there is this app. It's like an Uber for us here. It's local, so you just do like an Uber, just put an address and call for the taxi, and it's much, much cheaper than the taxis you would hire on the street. Because if they say they go by meter, or if you arrange a price with them, it's always more expensive than the prices you have here. So today we're going to pay 150,000 to take us about half an hour away, which means it's about £7.50. So even have the app even has a facility because the driver couldn't find us, so he asked me to take a picture of the place we were, and I took 3 pictures and he just came and met us.
Successful?
Yeah, very successful. 150,000.
Yeah. £7.50.
Ubud is located in the uplands of Bali. It is known as a centre of traditional crafts, its restaurants, yoga and dance. Surrounded by rainforests and terraced rice paddies, dotted with Hindu temples and shrines. These are some of Bali's most famous landscapes.
So today we're going on an organizing tour with a private driver, to take us around Ubud.
We are. We're going to go out and see the rice fields and the coffee fields, tea fields, sorry, tea. And waterfalls, exciting things like that.
Yeah.
Yes.
And these two cost us only 400,000 rupees, which is around £20. Struggle. It's so humid. inside of this temple. In my mind, going to a temple was like a big church, really. Going inside and they would have all their things there. But no,
No, it's
this
not.
is an open property.
No, it's just open. It's sort of tucked in the bottom of a valley, and where there's a waterfall, and then a river flows through. And they must have started off by carving these huge, I only describe them as temples really, into the rock, which is quite interesting, isn't it really, that they've done that. And then they've built up all sorts of little temples all the way around it.
Yeah, yeah.
And then they've sort of funneled the water along through irrigation systems and things. And it's really quite interesting. You also have to wear a sari, don't you?
Yeah, a sarong.
Yeah, sarong, sorry.
Yeah. To be
go
inside.
Yes, which is something that they all try to sell you on the way in, but actually you don't need to, because they'll provide one with the fee. The tickets...
They're 50,000 each, which is £2.5
£2.5
per person.
It's worth coming to see if you're here. It's fantastic. It's a long way down, and it's a long way up.
Yeah, it was a long way from here.
We're both going to be suffering.
The luwak is a large cat-like creature and produces some of the rarest coffee in the world, thanks to its love of eating coffee cherries. The beans pass through its digestive tract and pops out in its poop. The beans are collected, cleaned and roasted. An average cup of luwak coffee could set you back £50 to £60.
Coconut coffee, and the last one, ginseng coffee, good for energy, for stamina.
Okay.
So you can try them all, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Ginger. Do you just dry the leaves? Is that it?
No, we use the root.
The
of
root, the ginger. Of course you do.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course you do. Yeah. And then what? Dry it.
Dry, and then we grind to
Cut
make
it.
powder. We slice it first.
Slice it, yeah.
We dry, and then we grind to make the powder.
Yeah. And so it turns into a powder. Oh, okay. Not leaves or.
No. So that's why you can taste more spicy, because they make powder.
Yeah.
Not sliced ginger and putting hot water.
Okay.
Maybe if you make at home, like probably you put sliced ginger, yeah?
Yeah.
Less spicy than this.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So you need to use your
Powder,
powder maker.
Powder, yes. You can taste more strong and spicier.
Yeah.
So this is the water temple. It's very nice, this one, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Convenient name since it's pouring with rain.
It always rains. This is rainy season, so
Yeah.
we always get caught by
Yeah.
the rain once in a while.
But it is actually beautiful, and it's quite interesting, very tranquil.
Very.
Yeah.
I was told off I had to tie my hair.
You had to tie your hair back to come into this part. And then you've got the area there where they all dip and go into the water and drench I guess their sins away. I don't know. I'm not very wise to this. No. We'll have a look up.
Yeah.
We'll Google.
No tour of Ubud could be complete without a view of the traditional rice paddies.
So this is, as I read, is a traditional way of rice plantation, and they don't do this way any longer. So the government has to pay for, to give an incentive for them to keep this style.
Interesting.
Yes.
So the water just flows down,
Yeah.
like almost like going over wheels or waterfalls.
But apparently it's more complicated. So
Yeah.
to keep it.
Yeah.